Yeah. Yeah. And I mean, the demand's there for a lot of reasons. The dollar weakening. I mean, I guess not against other currencies, but just fiat currency in general, buying power decreasing. A lot of these assets are going up in price against the dollar, for good reason, right? The dollar is weak uh, in accordance to or relative to real assets such as gold and I wouldn't even say stocks, but yeah, stocks are going up against a weak asset. So there's no surprise there. And I think it'll keep happening that way for the time being. I think eventually, once we start to bottom in the in the crypto market with Bitcoin specifically, we'll start to see a rotation out of let's say weaker assets into something with real long-term potential. And the thesis here around Bitcoin has not changed. People are kind of spooked out. Like a lot of these funds and whatnot are waiting to see what happens with um, MicroStrategy and what's going on there. So reasonably so, but I do think that it makes sense for a rotation to occur eventually here as we bottom. Again, I'm looking for that 50K, 40K range before I start deploying a majority of capital. But yeah, man, this chart looks pretty healthy.